KFG Weather Overview, taking a look at the latest radar off the Penn State eWall site. And we've got more rain moving in. This is going to be a light to moderate rain. We've had some rain this morning. We've had a mild day, very humid out there with temperatures in the mid 60s. I think today is going to be, when we look back on it, today will be the warmest that we get over the next 7 to 10 upcoming days. So this is a cold front that's moving through, and that's why we're going to get this rain to redevelop over the next few hours. So I'm recording this around 3:40. So don't rely on this as far as current radar if you're looking at this later after that time period. But overall, this is from NOAA. We're really not expecting all that much in the way of rain. We got a little bit this morning. We'll get it a little bit this afternoon into tonight before it clears. But the main story of our weather picture is the cool temperatures over the next 7 to 10 days, because that's really the main thing going on with our weather as far as the overall picture is concerned. So when we look at the GFS model, what we notice is that once this front goes by, we get another reinforcing shot of chill that comes in late Thursday night into Friday. So breezy day tomorrow, breezy day on Friday. You see the lines of equal pressure coming together, and that'll bring down a very chilly northerly wind flow. And that'll persist for a good couple of days towards the end of the week. So the temperatures, they're also going to be cool as well, with temperatures near 50. And then we get some more light rain, it looks like, coming in for Saturday. But again, I don't think this is going to really ruin anybody's plans at this point, because if we back it up in time, the main forcing, it looks like, is over the southeast and mid-Atlantic with this particular system. And you can even see some lake effect snow streamers starting to develop as we get out to next Sunday night into Monday. Those shouldn't, be a bother in our neck of the woods, but it's worth noting. So the overall pattern is one where we really have a dominant long wave trough in the picture. That means that the jet stream is pretty far to the south. And if we look at the way it looks on Wednesday, a lot of that warm air that we were experiencing for the beginning part of the month, it just can't make inroads with this jet stream configuration the way it is. Now, as we go through time, we might see a relaxation of that, albeit a very brief one, but it's not really going to reflect too much in the overall temperature pattern when you look at that in a second. But one thing I am noticing here is this: as we get towards next Sunday into Monday, we see like a re-deepening of this trough of low pressure, general low pressure, and that spells to me that we are locked into a pretty cool overall weather pattern. If we take a look at Weather Underground, the conditions are favorable for just at or below normal temperatures. You can see that we might spend a couple of days where the mercury doesn't get above the 50-degree marker, and I would suspect that Sunday into Monday would be a good bet for that to happen. That Sunday temperature might be a little bit on the high side. Not a lot of precipitation in this pattern. As I said, the light rainfall potential for Saturday morning is there, but I really wouldn't get too carried away as far as the overall day is concerned with respect to like a washout. But I'll monitor it and we'll see what happens. But overall, the main story of the weather picture is this cool, calm picture, and it looks like at or below normal temperatures are going to be with us for the foreseeable future.